My name's Chris Goodswen. I'm a senior character artist working on Hunt Showdown, which will be an early access game for PC. It's a competitive PvP where there's also PvE elements as well. Marvelous Designer enabled us to get a consistent look across all the hunters and the grunts. The grunts, for instance, are an AI class. They're the living dead, if you like, that are walking around the map, and obviously we want to make sure they look historically accurate. And also using Marvelous Designer to build up a quick and workable library of assets that we can reuse as a starting point or reuse between, say, the grunts and the hunters. So if we create a shirt, we don't have to start from the beginning again. We can actually take this across to the grunts and then rework it. It also enabled us to do quick, rapid prototyping, so we could quickly create a garment and hand to the concept team to give a quick iteration while we're exploring the actual direction for some of the monsters and creatures within the game. I often find the way to treat Marvelous Design is to treat it like a modelling piece of software. When creating the garments, we use a lot of freezing. Say it would be a nice fold down the arm or maybe across the back of the character. You can then freeze that element to make sure that's locked into place. Another aspect that I like to use is to pin something. So once you've actually found a unique look of the fold, you quickly pin it into place and you can come back to it at a later date, but it pretty much sort of sets it in stone, and then you can work around the model. You can export the UVs. We've found this useful because we like to texture the high resolution mesh, so then when we bake the information down to our in-game models, if you have a nice stripe pattern, that would actually follow through the folds and able to give a much more realistic look to the actual characters. We brought animation into Marvelous Designer in order for us to have those sort of unique folds, say within the creases of the arms or the back of the knees or anywhere else that's needed on the character. Looking at our project, looking at Hunt Showdown, it would be great if we could have a function to rip the actual garments. I know it's very specific, but if you could literally grab it and rip it to give a much more natural flow, say to a ripped shirt, it would enable us to get a much more quicker and much more natural look to that.